Action.
We're now with the makeup girl, and I'm the one nervous. Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm not nervous.
You're not.
I'm just kidding. I'm okay. I'm happy because finally I'm done with 2 tests. I had 2 long tests for today kasi.
And you're studying, right? You're taking creative writing. How was it?
It's good. Well, it's kind of different. It's means I'm 27, diba? So, it's, ngayon naman ako nag-college. So, different talaga siya. But, at the same time, sobrang siyang, it's a blessing for me kasi nung pumasok ako sa school, iba na yung thinking ko, iba na yung nakikita ko, tsaka, parang in the light of God, iba na talaga lahat nung ginagawa ko. May direction na siya, may meaning.
Of all the courses na available,
Why creative writing? Kasi, bata pa lang ako. Ngayon nga magsulat. Tsaka, lahat ng kasalanan ko, I get away with it by writing. Yung parang kunwari, may nagawa ko sa mom ko, yung bata ako, sulatan ko lang siya, parang I get away with it na, parang gano'n. I just have a way with words, and I think I can really express myself. Yung best expression ko, how I truly feel, is by writing. Bata pa lang ako doon. Bata pa lang.
I know. There's nothing wrong with being 27 and still in college. And how important do you think this is?
Oh, very important. And the reason I say that is because I skipped it. So I know how what it means talaga to have no education at all. And plus the fact that I see a lot of people also na I see a lot of people, lalo na sa kind of job that I have, na marami talaga sa amin yung parang, syempre it's easy money, diba? Like, to be in the industry, siguro yung normal or regular whatever wage ng isang tao, hindi yun low pa or grade pa na makukuha namin. So, why study, diba? So ako, nagkaroon talaga siya ng meaning sa akin after a while na first, our job is not forever. Well, nothing naman really is, diba? Forever. Lalo na yung sa amin. Sobrang lang pwedeng in just like one day lang, bigla na lang everything is down, right? So, you realize it eventually how important education is. Para you also know about stuff. Na other things that you can do aside from this.
Was there a certain point in your life na I thought that nakita ko this person is being, I really need to study, I really need to finish college. May ganun bang point?
I really need to. Honestly, I never felt that. Na parang I needed to. Kasi nga, you're always building. Kahit anong gawin ko sa business namin, lalo na when we started already, and we already have a lot of contacts, parang you never feel the need to. So for me, really, what pushed me to get a degree, get an education, is when finally talagang na-save ako. Kasi parang meron lang akong longing inside of me na parang when I look at my sister and when I look at my nieces, they're all in school and they all look at me. First, that was what attracted me to the whole studying again thing. And then, after that, yun na nga, na-save ako. And then, I finally parang knew why. Meron akong ganun longing inside of me. Like, of course, yung writing. Hindi naman siya ma-enhance kung mag-stay lang ako sa business ko, diba? Or dun sa, like, sa showbiz industry. Wala akong matututunan doon about it. And I know that it is for greater purpose, yung pagsusulat ko. Kumbaga, nagagawa ko na yun ngayon sa kunwari, acting, or hosting, or singing. But when I write, I know that I can reach a lot more. Parang I can reach and help other people to know God, especially. Kaya ako siya pursue. Parang kaya pala ako longing na doon. Kaya pala may desire na natapusin siya. Kasi for that purpose.
Now, for people na hindi ko nakakala. Like I saw person. And,
Ngayon lang.
yes. And actually, yan. So, pwede mo ba ikwento sa amin ano yung conversion so from a this kind of world tapos bigla ka sa people.
Ilan gigment? Para bang well, una kasi, sabihin natin, 2 years before ako talaga, parang, before I surrendered talaga completely. Marami na nagsasabi sa akin. Of course, and it's our job, there will be people na nauna na na-save, di ba? Mga artistas, alam naman natin na maraming artists na naging born again, na-save dito, ganyan. They would invite me first to mga Bible study. Parang ako feeling ko, ang early ng Bible study. Ano ba yan? Bible, hindi it's no Bible study. So, I found that and then, of course, on the side, ang dami ko rin mga problema na kasi nagpapatong-patong na yung mga problema ko, tapos super bad girl na ako, kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa sarili ko, tapos super lost na, ganun na yung feel ko talaga, lost ako. And then, I'd look at the Christians sa business namin, and they would look really peaceful, yung parang, or at least, kahit na problema sila, sila okay, ako hindi. And then, sige, after 2 years, doon lang ako, parang mas, parang sobra ako na-surround ng mga Christians talaga na hindi ko na siya ma-deny. Parang every time I naka-pray, okay na naman, eto na naman, bakit ba ganyan? Yung parang okay, so nagiging part na siya ng buhay ko na I hear mga Christian stuff, ganyan, even songs. Okay, sige, must be a bad. Yung tingin ko,